Do you need a laptop desk? Let me show you what I found.
ATKEEN Lapdesk, comfortable, portable. Perfect size for laptops up to 15.6 inches. A base station for work and entertainment on your knees. Comfortable, portable. Here are the dimensions. Check in the text below this video and also in the pinned comment. I'll provide a link where you can buy this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link for your shopping. Thank you so very much. Mine is gray. Has a handle with stitching on both sides, or both sides of the handles. Very sturdy zipper with 2 pulls. A pocket with a Velcro closure. Nice padded area here. And a place to put pencils or whatever, and a backing to keep your laptop from sliding off. Very nice. And a little stretchy band here, whatever you want to use it for. Looks quite nice. This is the smallest laptop I have. I'm going to see if my HP will go into here. A little tight fit. And it does quite nicely. Zipped up and ready to go. I believe it's very protected with the padded cover right here, and then with the solid thing here, my laptop is very well protected. Quite comfortable. Nice.
Thanks for watching. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a positive comment. If you're checking the text below, I'll provide a link on how you can buy one of these for yourself or someone you care about. And until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.